In this video, I will show you how to give reviews on the Zomato app. Always write truthful and unbiased reviews. Share your real experience, like what went well and what didn't. Mention the key details like service quality, ambience, presentation of food, and cleanliness. Avoid generic words like good or bad. Instead, describe what exactly made the service prompt, the food delicious, or the setting cozy. Include clear photos of dishes, interiors, any standout decor or unique details. This gives your review more impact and helps readers see what to expect. Choose a star rating from 1 to 5 that accurately reflects your overall experience. Make sure your written review and your rating are consistent. If you visit the same place again and have a different experience, update your previous review instead of writing a new one. And that's it. That's how you can write thoughtful, detailed, and helpful reviews on Zomato app. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.